If you're experiencing issues with your GM vehicle's interior lights or receiving constant door alerts, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Door Jamb Switch is the perfect solution. This high-quality replacement part is designed to work seamlessly with your vehicle's electronics, helping to optimize your vehicle's capabilities. It ensures that your interior lights automatically turn on and off when you enter and exit your car, eliminating the annoying beeping or dashboard alerts that can occur when a door sensor malfunctions. Manufactured to meet GM's original equipment (OE) specifications, this door jamb switch offers the same fit, form, and function as the factory component, ensuring reliable performance and a long service life. The switch plays a crucial role in your vehicle's electrical system, ensuring that your lights work correctly and that your vehicle is functioning at its best. Whether you own a Hummer or another GM model, this replacement switch guarantees a precise fit and restores the original functionality of your vehicle. Easy to install and highly effective, many customers have found this part to be a simple fix for ongoing electrical issues. One reviewer mentioned how installing the new sensor resolved the constant beeping and warning message on their dashboard. This shows just how quickly and effectively this switch can eliminate such issues, offering peace of mind during your daily drive. Don't let a malfunctioning door jamb switch disrupt your vehicle's performance. By replacing your old switch with the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Door Jamb Switch, you're ensuring that your vehicle operates just like new, with a reliable and efficient system that automatically manages the interior lights. For the best quality and easy installation, click the link in the description to buy this product now, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great products.